Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So, we recently came across headphones that allow you to experience sound to the vibrations in your cheeks and jawbones. For those of you who aren't familiar with these type of headphones, they rely on the basis of bone conduction technology. You're probably wondering what makes them so different from other headphones. Let me break it down for you. The best bone conduction headphones prevent sound vibrations from traveling through your middle and outer ear and instead directly travel to your inner ear as conductive current via your jawbones. Basically, to sum it up, bone conduction headphones provide you with a better sense of sound and a great listening experience. Unlike normal headphones and earbuds, the eardrum movement is minimal in bone conduction technology, making them highly suitable for people who may face a little trouble in hearing. Let me clarify though that bone conduction headphones and bone conduction hearing aids are not the same. Before we dive into the review, here are 4 reasons why bone conduction headphones can be a better choice over traditional headphones in some cases, especially for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. 1. Bone conduction headphones are more comfortable. 2. They are lightweight and perfect for continuous use. They are also sweat and water resistant. 3. Bone conduction headphones provide a much better fit. 4. They allow you to be aware of your surroundings. Whether you're running on a busy road or working out in a noisy gym, you can listen to your favorite music and monitor what's happening around you at the same time. So now to our top picks. Like we do in all our other trial and testing initiatives, we picked 20 highly rated bone conduction headphones in the market. We tested them over 90 days to find the best ear bone conduction headphones out there. After thoroughly testing each product, we found bone conduction headphones that excel in different areas such as comfort, durability, ease of use, sturdiness, sound quality, price, and so on. Here are the top 5 best bone conduction headphones in 2021. You can find their links in the description box below. Number 1. Aftershokz Aeropex Bone Conduction Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. The best wireless bone conduction headphones. Out of all the wireless bone conduction headphones we tested, especially out of the Aftershokz ones, we really like the Aftershokz Aeropex Bone Conduction Wireless Bluetooth headphones. Even though they are on the costlier side compared to other wireless bone conduction headphones out there, they comprise excellent features that compensate for the extra money. After all, they are the epitome of bone conduction technology. To begin with, the open ear design is unique and keeps you aware of your surroundings. The headphones don't exactly cover your ears and instead sit right in front of them. They also provide a great listening experience through the cheekbone. However, we noticed that the sound quality was not as good as that of audiophile headphones. Having said that, out of all the bone conduction headphones we tested, we found Aftershokz Aeropex vibration to be the most effective. Secondly, the headphones are comfortable, durable, and lightweight. You can wear them while you're running or walking without feeling any weight on your jawbone. In fact, research shows that bone conduction headphones can be a good pick for people who enjoy outdoor activities. Another reason why bone conduction headphones can be suitable for outdoor usage is that they are waterproof, that is, IPX6 rated. Finally, the headphones come with a great battery life. As a matter of fact, Aftershokz battery life is exceptional. You can use them for 8 hours straight in a single charge. To charge these headphones, all you need to do is attach the headphones to the magnetic charger. No wires, no adapters. You can also use these headphones for taking and making phone calls. In conclusion, the Aftershokz Aeropex bone conduction wireless Bluetooth headphones can be a good buy for those who prefer quality over price. We did not experience any major issues with the headphones. The sound quality of these headphones, as well as the battery life, is simply fantastic. These bone conduction headphones comprise all the features you need for phenomenal listening experience. Number 2. Teogo Bone Conduction Headphones. The most affordable bone conduction headphones. In terms of price, the Teogo Bone Conduction Headphones are the best. But don't be fooled by their price. A lower price doesn't always imply lower quality. We are really impressed by both the performance and quality of these headphones. Firstly, the headphones deliver high fidelity sound and rich bass. The built-in microphone is noise cancelling and perfect for remote work. Secondly, the Teoco bone conduction headphones also comprise an open ear design. The sound travels via bone conduction and your ears remain open. What a relief, isn't it? Three control buttons behind the right ear control the headphone's volume and allow you to select tracks. A big multifunctional button, also known as an MFB, on the left side can be used for playing and pausing tracks, as well as receiving calls. Thirdly, we really like the battery life of these headphones. A 7-hour charge can provide 7 days of standby time. We tested the headphones by charging them for 7 hours and then turning them off for a week. When we turned them on, we were able to use them for 2 hours before the battery ran out. Lastly, the headphones support Bluetooth 5.0 and be connected to 2 devices at once. We tested them with Android devices, an iPhone, a MacBook, and a Windows PC, and didn't experience any connectivity issues with any of the devices. In conclusion, the Ryogo bone conduction headphones are comfortable, durable, and also lightweight. They can be used for hours together and fit perfectly under helmets if you like cycling. Honestly speaking, the price to quality ratio is excellent. We highly recommend these headphones to those of you who are on a shoestring budget. Initially, we were skeptical about purchasing these headphones, and many existing users have mentioned that they are not bone conduction headphones. Nevertheless, once we tested them out, we really like them. Number 3. Aftershok's titanium open ear wireless bone conduction headphones. The best bone conduction headphones with the best sound quality. Another great pair of Aftershok's headphones are the Aftershok's titanium open ear headphones. The headphones come with a premium pitch technology that delivers a broad range of dynamic sound and deep and rich bass. They also comprise leak slayer technology that significantly reduces sound leakage to provide crystal clear audio. The open fit design ensures your ears don't get covered and delivers sound through your cheekbones. If you find the vibrations overwhelming, you can use the EQ to modify them. Secondly, the Aftershok's titanium open ear wireless bone conduction headphones are comfortable and lightweight. The headband is made of titanium and flexible for ensuring the most comfort. You can also use these headphones for taking and making phone calls. Lastly, the Aftershok's titanium open ear headphones are IPX5 rated and resistant to dust, sweat, and water, meaning that you can use them for both indoors and outdoors activities. We tested the headphones while cycling and remote working and did not experience any issues in both cases. The headphones are 100% compatible with helmets and eyeglasses. After all, Aftershok's headphones never disappoint. These headphones won't disappoint you either in terms of battery life. Number 4. Vidon F1 Titanium Bone Conduction Headphones. The most lightweight bone conduction headphones. In terms of comfort, the Vidon F1 titanium headphones are the best. The headphones comprise a streamlined and flexible titanium design that makes them lightweight and comfortable for continuous use. The moment you look at these headphones, you'll understand what we're talking about. They're currently the most lightweight bone conduction headphones on our list. Secondly, we really like the battery life of the Vidon F1 titanium bone conduction headphones. We charged the headphones for almost 2 hours and they worked seamlessly for 6 hours straight. Per the brand, the standby time is 10 hours. However, we didn't get a chance to test the same as we were short on time. And finally, to the sound quality. The sound quality is great. The vibrations were not too strong either. The Vidon F1 titanium bone conduction headphones support Bluetooth 5.0 and can easily pair with all Bluetooth devices. Overall, the headphones are very comfortable and a good budget option. We didn't find the sound quality as good as the Aftershok's ones, but on the other hand, the comfort is better. Number 5. GZ-CRDZ New Bone Conduction Headphones. The best wired bone conduction headphones. Initially, we thought that bone conduction headphones are only available as wireless ones. So you can imagine our delight when we found the GZ-CRDZ New Bone Conduction Headphones, one of the few wired bone conduction headphones on the market. We managed to find a couple of other similar products too. However, these headphones are the best ones out there. Firstly, these headphones are comfortable and lightweight. They fit pretty well, irrespective of the size of your head, and don't keep falling. Since these bone conduction headphones comprise a wire, they are compatible with all devices that have a 3.5mm jack. Lastly, these wired bone conduction headphones have great sound quality. Initially, we felt the volume was a little low. Nevertheless, we managed to fix it with our Android smartphone's built in equalizer. We wouldn't say the sound quality is exceptional, but it's good for a casual listening experience. It wouldn't even be fair to compare the sound quality of these headphones with the sound quality of Aftershok's ones. In conclusion, if you really want a wired bone conduction headset, we suggest buying the GZCRDZ new bone conduction headphones. They're good and pocket friendly, and the battery life is also great. We didn't experience any issues as such. These were our top 5 picks of the best bone conduction headphones in 2021. Let me know which ones you like the best in our comment section below. Although there was a huge range to choose from, we came across so many Aftershok's headphones specifically designed using the bone conduction technology. Guess it's safe to say that Aftershock stole the show. We hope you found our picks of the 5 best bone conduction ear headphones useful. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for all the latest updates and news about earbuds, headphones, and other audio devices.